He's flying his drone. Okay, do it. Where did it go? It's windy. Uh-oh. There it goes. Make it higher. Oh. It flipped over. So windy.
Yeah, that's why. I'm lucky it's even able to go.
Okay.
It's able to hold on.
Put it down. No, you're gonna.
The power's low, so it can't catch itself right now.
Let's catch it.
The wind, hold on. Let me get out of the wind. There we go.
It went to my face.
You're fast. You can move out of the wind.
Put it over here on top of the table. Wait. There you go. Hang on. I'll
Should I
show.
face the camera down more? You can
Yeah,
angle
where's
it.
the camera?
Look, you can point it. Look, see. Point it down.
Yeah. Okay, put it down.
Wind, oh, for the wind.
You can't see it.
Yeah.
That's deep. Okay. Do it.
Let me do something.
Try to turn off the camera for now.
Turn it off.
Yeah.
And on?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm just doing the other video. Okay. Is that the battery?
Yeah. Oh, this one's coming off on my. That's why.
Do we have extra?
What?
There's an extra LEC for the.
Yeah, I got extra stuff. We don't need it though. That's okay. I'm just fixing the pieces. It's made to do that. These are bumpers.
We have the SD card for this. Okay. Over here by the lake. Put by the lake. Init, grabe yun.
Battery's dead. It lasted a bit, right?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Let's see.
You're welcome. Hey.
That little bit deep left, not that much, but.
Dead. I'm flipping over. Okay. Can I hold it?
No?
Yeah, I'll take a picture. It's a huge one. Ay? It's a huge one.
It's windy. You see, it's doing pretty good for the wind.
Yeah.